Infra Engineers India is one of the leading companies in the used construction equipment industry. Apart from delivering quality refurbished construction equipment, the company also manufactures specialized attachments for excavators and motor graders under the brand iepl. The iepl brand products are sold through dealer networks across the globe. The company has dealers in Australia, Japan, Thailand, Jordan, UAE and USA. Infra Engineers India exports used refurbished construction equipment to various countries across Southeast Asia, Africa and Middle East. For the domestic market, Infra Engineers India imports motor graders and carries out the refurbishment process. In the last few years, the company has sold over 340 motor graders across pan-India and have exported 26 motor graders to various countries. Currently, Infra Engineers India holds over 75% of market share in the used grader segment in India by gaining customer satisfaction and get repeated orders. Over 190 dedicated workforce keenly execute the refurbishment process in the workshop. We also supply motor grader attachments like front Dozer blades, rippers and scarifiers. The company also undertakes service of engines, transmission, hydraulic components, etc. for our customers. We have a fleet of 22 graders for the rental business. Our graders are working in leading construction companies like L&T, Mega Projects, Triveni, Keller and VPR Mining. Infra Engineers India, a one-stop destination for used construction equipment.